Okay guys, so the big thing in branding right now, it's having exclusive colours, you know? Nobody responds to blue or green or grey anymore. They wanna feel things when they hear a colour, you know? They wanna taste it, they wanna smell it. They wanna understand exactly what that colour is. We're not selling gazebos, we're selling dreams and aspirations of having a commercial quality shelter to trade under or host, you know, like a festival themed party, you know? So we've got 12 amazing colours, and what I want to do is I want to propose to the board that we change the names of these colours. We rebrand each and every one of them. You know, it's going to make for more interesting marketing, for one. So let's start with grey, okay? It's a colour that's popular with everybody. It's neutral. You know, for me, it makes me think of wisdom, you know? So what does it bring to mind for you? Come on, shoot some names at me.
Old man's hair grey.
Old man's beard grey. Ryan's beard grey.
Oh, no, that's not exactly what I was thinking. What emotions does it ignite in you? Come on.
Midlife crisis grey.
Okay, forget grey for now. What about red? Red, it's danger, it's passion, it's power. I'm thinking of names like California Sunset or Fiery Wizard or Blood River, you know? Come on, give me some names.
What about California Sunset? Or Fiery Wizard?
Blood River.
Are you kidding me? I've literally just said these. Come on, I want you to come up with your own ideas.
What about California Blood Wizard? Oh, I like that. Or Fiery Sunset River. Aren't sunsets more orange?
Not the most intense sunsets, no. They are more red.
Most of the sunsets I've seen are orange. What should we call orange?
We haven't finished on red yet.
Cool beans.
California Sunset.
Cool beans.
How about Tropical Orange?
It's already the name of one of our Swiss Tracks flooring colours.
Cool beans.
Nath, stop saying cool beans. Look, come on guys, we're not just any marketing team, we're the Gala Tent marketing team.
Hey, that's a good slogan, that. Gala Tents are not just any marquee.
No, it's been done. Come on guys, focus. What about black? Come on, surely you can come up with some really cool names for black. It's prestigious, it's imposing. Give me some names, go.
Really dark grey.
Ooh.
What about white?
80s denim.
Well, I like it.
Purple.
My mum's curtains.
Yellow?
My mum's upstairs curtains.
Nath, nobody is going to relate gazebo colours to your mother's home decor.
Well, I do.
Do you know what? Let's just do a video that says what colours we do and move on, because this is painful.
What was that all about?
Do you know what this looks like? Elephant's breath. Great idea.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Beth. Gala Tent supplies 12 great colours of pop-up gazebo. What are the colours again?
Ah!